Now to a high-profile murder case in which the victim was a young mother. A judge is now reviewing evidence in the case of Nicholas Lovejoy, who is accused of killing his longtime girlfriend, Melissa Souza.
At issue is whether police lawfully entered the couple's apartment when they were looking for Souza, who had been reported missing. Police were also checking on the children. Here's News Center Maine's Jackie Mundry.
In October 2019, Melissa Souza was reported missing after not showing up to work. Police say she was last seen that morning, bringing her 8-year-old twin daughters to the bus stop. When police went to the house she shared with Nicholas Lovejoy, he wouldn't allow them in, saying that Souza had left. Then, hours later, in the middle of the night, officers who were staked out around the corner saw Lovejoy drive off, leaving the girls alone, asleep in the apartment. They stopped him for a busted light over his license plate, found a loaded rifle in the car, and took him into custody. Officers searched the house after the traffic stop, found the girls were okay, but there was no sign of Souza. It was a full 2 days later when police found her body under a tarp in the basement. Lovejoy was charged with her murder. His lawyers are now asking a judge to exclude evidence gained in that search because the officers didn't have a warrant to go inside the apartment. Derek Banda represents Lovejoy.
If the court determines some of these issues in our favor, potentially could mean the end of the case.
State prosecutors declined to speak after the hearing, but argued in court the twins were alone in the middle of the night, and that was reason enough for police to enter.
Yes, there was no information that they were in need, but there also wasn't any information that they weren't.
Justice William Stokes is expected to make a decision on this matter within the next 2 weeks. In Augusta, Jackie Mundry, News Center Maine.
Lovejoy's trial is set to begin in early May.